Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are watching this video, that means you are enjoying, you're liking my videos and you're learning. That's important. You're liking, not liking is okay, but you're learning, you're practicing, and you're going ahead with your goal of cracking the exam. So we are in lecture number 4 of linear equation. Here we have again more word problems. Do you remember, have you gone through lecture number 3 where we have spoken about the notations, more, similar to more, or synonym of more, we use plus, so on. I hope you have gone through this part. BODMAS, base, yes. We are going to use these notations. Let's see if that notation will help us to form the equation here. Question number 1. Come to question number 1. Rina is 8 years older than Loretta. Problem on age. You make the algebraic equation on problem on age. One is older, one is younger, 10 years later, so on. Doesn't make much of a difference. It's basically forming the equation. Let's see how do you form the equation. Rina is 8 years older than base. This is comparative degree. What you get after that is base. So Rina is compared with Loretta. Loretta is the base here. Do you want to use 2 variable here, or even if I use 1 variable, you are okay with that? You know, if you use less number of variables, you will get answer faster. Okay. So let's read the question, the entire question once. Rina is 8 years older than Loretta. 10 years ago, yeah, you go back in time, 10 years ago. Rina was twice as old as Loretta. When you go back in time, 10 years back in time, when you go 10 years back in time, you have to count for Loretta also 10 years back and for Rina also 10 years back. Currently, how old is Rina and Loretta? That's what we need to find. Now, let's assume currently Loretta's age is L. Loretta's age is L. Okay, base compared to. If you want to use one, if you want to handle only one variable, then you do. Otherwise, you can assume Rina's age as X and Loretta age as Y, and then you can make the equation there also. I advise use less variables so that you get the answer faster. So if I assume Loretta's current age, present age is L, then Rina is 8 years older. Older means age is more. Yeah. So Rina's age should be L plus 8. 8 years older than Rina. 8 years older than Loretta. Rina is 8 years older than Loretta. Are you okay with this? Yes? Yeah? Now, what happens in this case? What happens? 10 years ago, Rina was twice as old. Okay, so now this, are you okay with this? This is the present age we are, understand? Present. This is happening at present. 10 years ago, Rina was twice as old as Loretta. Now, if you look at 10 years ago, 10 years ago, back in time, you go back in time 10 years ago. So Loretta's age back in time 10 years ago, Loretta's age should be what? L minus 10. Yeah. And Rina's age should be what? Present age of Rina, which we got L plus 8. 10 years back, this should be minus 10. When you say 10 years ago, it should be minus 10 in both of them. Do you agree? Say you and your friend. Currently your age is something. Let's say you are 21 years old. Your friend is 19 years old. Now, if you go 10 years back in time, so your age would be 11 and your friend's age must be 9. Correct? 10 years back. So when you go back in time, you should subtract from both of you, right? The age from both of you. Same, Loretta and Rina, 10 years ago, 10 years back in time. Are you okay with this? So 10 years ago, this is what happened. Now, how do you equate? Rina was. Do you remember helping verb? Helping verb, we use equal sign for helping verb. Yeah. So Rina was. So this is Rina and this is Loretta. 10 years back. Yeah. So the question said Rina was. So Rina equal to twice as old as Loretta. Twice, two times. Did you understand this? How did I convert this word into equation? The statement into equation. 10 years ago. Rina present age minus 10, Loretta present age minus 10. Rina equal to twice, two times, as old as Loretta, two times of Loretta, 2 multiplied by Loretta. Are you okay with this? Yes? Okay. So, Rina's age 10 years ago, Loretta age 10 years ago. Rina's age 10 years ago is equal to 2 times of Loretta's age 10 years ago. Are you okay with this? Yeah, if not, just revise this part because I think I made it quite simple and easy for you. Now, simplify, open the bracket. Now it's all simplifying the equation. All right. And you can see that you have got one variable and one equation. So you can directly get the value of L, which is age of Loretta at present. So you can say, shift the smaller one, 2L minus L is L, 20 here, 8 minus 10 is minus 2 and minus 20 will become plus 20. Did you understand? 8 minus 10 is minus 2 and minus 20 will go this side, become plus 20. So Loretta's present age is 20 minus 2, which is 18 years. Are you okay with this? Yes. Is this final what we wanted to find? No, that's not enough. Question said how old is Rina and Loretta. So we got Loretta's age as of now, present age of Loretta. Now present age of Rina is L plus 8. So Rina's present age will be L plus 8. 18 plus 8 is how much? 26. Yes. You got Rina's present age also. Right? Yeah. So that's how you can solve by using one variable. You want to use two variables? You can. Let's try the next question by using two variables instead of one. Okay. I hope this is fine. Let's jump to the next question. Question number 2. Let's read the question. People, you can pause the video, try attempting it by yourself. I am 3 times old as my son. As old as my son. After 5 years, I will be 2.5 times as old as my son. Find my present age and the present age of my son. We can solve this question by having only one variable itself, but because I wanted to show you two variables, so we can try with two variables this question. I am 3 times as old as my son. Let's say present age of son is S and I am father, definitely. So let's say father's age is F. Okay. So I am 3 times as old as my son. So I will say F equal to 3S. 3 times I am. So M is helping verb, equal sign. 3 times T multiply by as old as my son, multiply by son. Did you understand how did I form this equation? Helping verb, use equal. 3 times multiplication sign. Okay. Let's call this to be equation number 1. 5 years, after 5 years. First of all, let's see after 5 years. After 5 years. Father's age should be f plus 5 and son's age should be s plus 5. Present age plus 5. Correct? Now, I will be, father will be, helping verb equal to 2.5 time, 2.5 time. Yeah, 2.5. How do you simplify 2.5? 2.5 you can say 5 by 2, right? 2.5 time. 2.5 time 5 by 2 times multiply as old as my son multiply by the age of son. Is this equation okay with you? Shall I do it again? Let me do it again for you. First I will address after 5 years. So f plus 5, s plus 5, present age plus 5. I am helping verb, I will be, okay, so I will be, I, that means father, will be, helping verb, 2.5 time 5 by 2 times means multiply as old as my son, so multiply into son's age. Okay, that's fine now. Okay, good. Now let's simplify. You can solve, so you can simplify this equation and then get the value of s and f. I see that f equal to 3s. It's very simple. F equal to 3s. It looks very simple, right? So I can use substitution method here. I can substitute the value of f as 3s in this second equation and then simplify further. So if I substitute f equal to 3s here, I have 3s plus 5 equal to 5 by 2 multiply by s plus 5. Cross multiply, 2 multiply here, this will become 6s plus 10 equal to multiply by 5, 5s plus 25. Correct? Are you getting it? 5, open the bracket. Now this is not 55, okay, this is 5s. Okay, smaller value, change the side. 6s minus 5s will get you simple s. 25 minus 10 plus 10 will go to will go to the right hand side, will become minus 10, plus 10 will become minus 10. 25 minus 10 is 15. S is equal to 15. That's the age of son. Now to find the present age of father, father's present age f equal to 2s, father's present age f equal to 3s, which should be 3 into 15, that should be 45. That is the age of father. Are you okay with this? Are you okay with this? Yes? Great, you got the answer. S equal to 15, father's age equal to 45. Okay, important is how do you form the equation, that is important. So let's see question number 3. 10 years ago, mother was 12 times as old as daughter, and 10 years hence she will be twice as old as her daughter will be. Find the present age of ages, that means definitely the mother as well as daughter, we need to find the present age. Let's assume the present age, let's assume the present age to be what? M for mother and D for daughter. Okay, 10 years ago, let's say 10 years ago, so mother's age is M minus 10 and daughter age should be D minus 10. 10 years ago, back in time. Mother was, helping verb, mother was equal to 12 times means 12 multiply as old as her daughter. 12 multiply by what? Multiply by daughter's age 10 years ago, which is D minus 10. Let's call this to be equation number 1. And 10 years hence means when you go in future, okay, 10 years hence, when your age is more, yeah, when you go in future. So 10 years hence, now let me see, 10 years hence what is happening here. it will become n plus 10 and daughter will become d plus 10. Correct? Question said 10 years hence she will be, who will be? Mother will be twice as old as her daughter. Will be helping verb, twice, that means 2 times as old as the age of daughter, that time, d plus 10. Okay, now we can simplify this also. All right, second equation. You can simplify and get the answer. Yeah, you want to use substitution method, you can say from equation number 1 you can say m equal to 12d minus 10, and let me take this 10 other side, become plus 10. Okay, now I can substitute the value of m here. You can use elimination method also, you can use substitution method also. After you understood how to form the equation, I leave it up to you. How do you solve this? Which method do you use? Okay, I am using substitution because I can see this is very simple. M equal to, no fraction, simple expression. So when I substitute here, I get 12d minus 10, which is in bracket, plus 10 equal to 2 multiply inside, open the bracket, so 2d plus 20. Simplify, open the bracket this side also, 12d minus 120 plus 10 equal to 2d plus 20. Alright, simplify this, smaller value, this become what? Minus 120 plus 10 become minus 110, right? Take to the other side, to this side, 12d minus 2 is what? 10d, 20 plus 110, that means daughter, which is 130, I take this 10 to the other side, divide by 10, is 13 years old at present. At present, 13 years old, right? Now if you want to find mother's age at present, you can use either one of the equation number 1 or 2. You can use this one also, which is simplified, m equal to this. You want to use it? Let's do it. So by equation number 1, I have m equal to 12 into d minus 10 plus 10, d I substitute as 13 from here. What do I have? I have m equal to 12 into 13 minus 10 plus 10. This will get you 12 into 13 minus 10 plus 10. BODMAS rule. Simplify. First you have to multiply. Correct? So m equal to 36 plus 10 equal to 46. This is mother's present age. Okay. Question: are you going to follow this lengthy process in the exam also? Answer is no. If you get such kind of question in exam, you will have options. We can eliminate options and get the answer faster. Question: sir, when will you show us that elimination of options, eliminating options method? Soon, don't worry. First build the foundation, first build the concept stronger. Okay, I always say when your preparation should be like pyramid. Foundation has to be stronger, right? This is concept builder video. I am not going to use options here. Are you understanding how to form the equation and then how to solve the equation? Yes? Okay, well, then we are doing good in solving problem on age. Okay, word problem on age. Let's try one more question. Question is, Mike's father is 5 times older than Mike. So you got Mike's father here and Mike also. Okay, Mike is twice as old as his sister Leanne. I can see direct relation here. We can try with the single variable here. I'll show you. In 2 years time, the sum of their age, all of them, is 58. How old is Mike now? We need to find out Mike now. Okay, now see, Mike father is 5 times as Mike. Yeah, I hope you are not having any issue when I'm writing this way. Mike is twice as old as his sister. So Mike equal to twice as old as his sister. Sister S, Mike M, father F. Are you okay with this? Right? Okay. Now, question said when you add all of them. So here I can say, see, here I can say what? If I take this equation number 1 and 2, and if I say Mike, if I take it here, I will have F equal to, this will get me F equal to 5 into the Mike's value, I substitute 2s. That will get me the age of father equal to 10s. Are you okay with that? 5 into 2. Look at this. The objective is to convert them into single variable. So I have the single variable which says F equal to, father's age is what? Now 10s, Mike age is how much? 2s, and sister age is what? We assume to be s, right? This is at present. Because question said at present. In 2 times, okay, in 2 years time, the sum of their age is 52. 2 years time, this is at present. So in 2 years, means? In 2 years means what? In 2 years means after 2 years, in future. In 2 years, so father should be what? Father's age should be what? Present age plus 2. Mike's age should be what? Present age plus 2. Sister's age should be what? Present age plus 2. Question said when you add all of them, what you get? 10s plus 2 plus 2s plus 2 plus s plus 2 equal to 58 as per the question. Guys, I can use furthermore shortcuts here and then get the answer faster, but I want you to understand how to form the equation. You know, I could simply say that okay, 3 people are there. If you go 2 years hence, you know, in 2 years, so 3 people, 2 years will add 2 in each, total 6 is added and become 58. So present it should be 52, which should be 10 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 11, so which is equal to 13. 13 4s are 52, so s is equal to 4. And that I could do this calculation in mind, but I want you to understand how to form the equation. Yeah. So s will be equal to 4 here. So let's see here. Now let me solve this equation for you. So 10 plus 2 plus s is 13. 2 plus 2 is 6. That is equal to 58. 13s is equal to 58 minus 6. That will be 52. So s is equal to 4. Yeah, this I could do with mental calculation. I will teach you all, don't worry. But focus on what is the objective of this video. This video objective is to form the equation and solve the equation. Are we able to meet that objective? Yes, we are. Yeah. So don't worry about shortcut. I'm there with you. Yeah. Let us jump to the exam type of question. I will show you a lot of shortcuts there, but build the concept builder videos. Okay. Fine. So this is it in today's video. We have solved couple of questions on age, word problem on age. My name is Shamanawad, signing off. I will see you in the next lecture. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.